Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aidil Nazimi bin Hashim, number matric F1042.
I'm Muhammad Danish bin Zulkifli, number matric F1081. Today,
We like to show you
how to change motorcycle engine oil. Firstly, the motorcycle is parked on double stand. Secondly, the motorcycle engine is warm up.
So third, the oil drain plug is removed. Make sure the oil is fully out. Number 4 is the old oil drain into the pan. The number 5 is the oil drain plug is turned clockwise.
Then, the oil fill cap is removed out. After that, the new oil is poured into the engine. Okay, record. Then, the oil fill cap is closed. Make sure the fill cap is fully tightened. Then, the oil level is adjust and check if necessary. Lastly, the engine is start and check for leak.
Thank you for watching.